Okay, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, which is Taiyyari. This is basically related to educational videos where we will share educational videos to you people, and you can get all the latest updates regarding exams here. Today, I will be talking about important topic, which is of number system, that is binary to gray code conversion. Here, as you can see that there is a binary representation, symbols B1, B2, B3 and B4. B1 represents the most significant bit of a binary representation of a decimal form. This is B2, B3 and B4. These are the binary converted. You can say it as BCD conversion of a decimal or 8421 conversion of a decimal. You guys can ask me regarding 8421 or BCD, that is binary coded decimal. This is binary as representation. So okay, now this is gray representation. Here, to convert binary to gray, B1 is equals you can just copy the B1 as it is. So as you can see here, I have represented G1 is equals to B1. Here G2 is equals to B1 XOR B2. I will talk about XOR operation later in this video. I can give you two methods for XOR so that you can easily find the XOR operation between two bits. G3 is equals to B2 XOR B3 and G4 is equals to B3 XOR B4. So taking examples which will be more clear for this. 0, 1, 1, 0. This is binary representation of decimal 6. Okay, guys, you can see 0 as I have just copied it here. This is the most significant bit 0 and I have copied the same for most significant bit of gray code. Okay, now 1 here, 0, 1, between there will be a XOR operation between 0 and 1. So guys, let's talk about XOR operation. As I said, I can give you two methods for XOR operation. For XOR operation, you can suppose we need to find XOR operation between two bits. So the first rule is sum mod 2. Okay, what we'll do here is first suppose we have 0 and we need to find XOR operation between 0 and 1. 1 XOR 1. First method is sum mod 2. Suppose we need to find XOR operation between 1 XOR 0. Okay. 1 XOR 0. So we can find first sum. So 1 plus 0 is equals to 1 and 1 mod 2 is equals to 1. So as you can see, I have made here 0, 1 as 1. And the other rule is, what you can do is low and low will always give you low, or high and high will always give you low. If the two bits are same, then you will get output as 0, that is low signal, or two bits are same, that is high 1 1, then also you will get output as low. Or you can take it as 1 plus 1 is equals to 2 and 2 mod 2 is 0. So you can do it in both ways, either sum mod 2, or if the two bits are same, then the output is always low, and if the two bits are different, then output is always high. So in this case, the two bits are different, so the output is 1. Here the two bits are same, so the output is 0, or 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 mod 2 is 0. Here also 1 plus 0 is 1 because the two bits are different, or sum is 1 and 1 mod 2 is 1. Guys, we can take another example. So this is binary representation of 12, and the red border, as you can see here, this is the gray code conversion of binary representation of decimal 12. This is 1, as I said, just copy it. Here 1 and 1 is 0, as I said, the two bits are same, so the output is 0. Here 1 plus 0 is 1 because 1 mod 2 is 1, so the two bits are different, 1. Here the two bits are same, so output is 0. Okay guys, I hope you would have enjoyed it, and I would have been able to clear this. Now, where this questions come, in which exams, I have mentioned some exams where you will be able to find these questions, and this is most frequently asked, not most frequently, but it is asked on a regular basis. You can find it in ISRO paper, which is for Scientist B post. Scientist B post. Also, same applies for NILIT, Scientist B post, and regarding GIT, GIT also you can find this, or else you can find at least questions related to XOR operation. Okay, thank you guys, thank you for watching, and please give your comments, give your reviews, give your feedback. If there is any improvement, I will do it, and if there is any query related to this topic, you can ask me, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Taiyyari, and also you can get the link in the description and get more updates regarding educational videos. Thank you guys, thank you.